Hello pilots from all walks of life. If you found this video, you already know how the Clarity Aloft works. You've probably been flying for a really long time because this is a very expensive piece of equipment. It is the very best product that is out on the market for helicopter pilots, for commercial pilots, for any kind of aircraft piloting. The newest version of the Clarity Aloft is the absolute gold standard for in-cabin communications. What we've done, because we only want to provide our customer base with the very best that's out in the market, is we've built adapters for the Clarity Aloft headset. So what it's going to do, it's going to allow you to have the very best in pilot communications with passive noise attenuation, dual balanced armature speakers, reduced irritation, improved comfort without having to compromise with the fit. What we do is make an impression of your ear, and you have a couple different ways to make that impression. We can make it for you at a show. We can visit you at your office, at your home. You can meet in a third-party location and we can make an impression there. Or we can send you what's called a do-it-yourself-at-home impression kit, and we send you a kit and you make the impressions at your house or wherever you feel comfortable, preferably with another person so they can set the auto block and make the impression. And then you send those impressions to us, or we take the impressions ourselves and we send them away to the lab where they build the adapter piece for your new Clarity Aloft system. The system, because it already does come with interchangeable inserts, just unplugs from the inserts. You then just plug in our custom adapter pieces right onto your own system and you're ready to fly. Now, what custom will do with this setup is it's gonna put the communications in your ears. You can hear it. It's gonna give you the ability to have comfort when you fly. And what you're gonna be able to do is you're gonna be able to replace the one-size-fit-all generic foamy ear tips with a custom set that's made specifically for your ears, and that's going to reduce that irritation that you get after a period of time in the plane. Not only will you have reduced irritation, you're going to have reduced fatigue, you're going to have reduced headaches, you're going to be able to focus more on your flight, and you're going to be able to fly safer. So what I suggest next is that you go to our provider page, see if there's a provider near you that could possibly visit with you and you guys could have a conversation about what you would like to have done. Or you can send us an email, or you can just go to the do-it-yourself-at-home impression ordering kit and get it done. The process is extremely simple. It takes 5 minutes to make a set of impressions. Then we have your molds that you make for us or that we make for you for upwards of 5 to 10 years. And then you are a part of the bigger family. You can order anything else from our website that you want. I hope that this video has helped you to understand how you can take your flight to the next level, how you can take the Clarity Aloft to the next level, and how you can increase your comfort and fly above the rest. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you throughout the site.